Hello students, I'm Karthika, your professor for Textiles IDES 234. Most students come to this class thinking it is a mandatory class and that it's going to be boring. My aim is to make sure that this is a truly enriching experience and that all of you leave this class with a solid knowledge of textiles as well as design tools and skills that can be used for your careers as interior designers. Please make sure that you stay in touch with me via email. As this is an online course, you may feel a bit distant or even miss important announcements. To avoid this, consult announcements on Blackboard a day before scheduled classes as well as a day after each class. The syllabus, course content, assignments, and due dates are all posted on Blackboard. So make sure that you take the time to familiarize yourselves by clicking on the titles on the left-hand panel when you enter Blackboard. The structure of the classes is as below. Classes will be a mix of lecture, slide presentations, and videos, studio time for activities or research, class discussion, or online chats. Content will be broken down into smaller chunks requiring a maximum of 30 minutes attention at one time, followed by an activity or pause for reflection. The pace of the class will be adapted to the class dynamics. Students are urged to participate, ask questions at any time via the chat function, participate in class discussions via Blackboard, send me feedback, questions, or raise any issues either during the last hour of class or send me an email. For a successful class, it must be a two-way communication with discussion and feedback. Now, how you should engage with each other. It has been proven that group work improves learning, so students are urged to interact with each other. Announcement channels, as I said before, will be via email and Blackboard. So once again, welcome to Textiles IDES 2341.